your garage overflowing with items you no longer need? It's easy for garages to become a storage space for things we don't use anymore, turning what should be a place for our cars into a cluttered mess. Luckily, Out with the Old Junk Removal is here to help. We specialize in fast, efficient garage cleanout services in Knoxville, making the process of reclaiming your space hassle-free. Our expert team does all the heavy lifting for you. From old furniture to unwanted tools, seasonal decorations, or even years of accumulated junk, we handle it all. Out with the Old Junk Removal guarantees a thorough clean-out of your garage, leaving it neat and spacious once again. We also prioritize environmentally friendly disposal, recycling and donating items whenever possible to minimize waste. Don't let your garage become an eyesore. Call Out with the Old Junk Removal today to schedule your garage clean-out service. Let us handle the clutter so you can enjoy a cleaner, more organized space. With our professional, reliable, and affordable services, it's never been easier to get rid of the old and make room for the new. Let's make your next move the easiest one yet.